There are 100 cars in a car park. 28 of them are blue and 34 red. If a car is selected at random from the car park, what is the probability that it is neither blue nor red? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will choose the correct option. From the question, we are being told that there are 100 cars in the car park, so the total number of cars is 100. It goes on to tell us that 28 of the cars are blue, so the number of blue cars is 28, and 34 of them are red, so the number of red cars is 34. It means that the number of cars in the car park that are neither red nor blue will be equal to the total number of cars, which is 100, minus the number of blue cars, which is 28, minus the number of red cars, which is 34, and that will give us 38. This means that there are 38 cars in the car park that are neither blue nor red. The question wants us to find the probability that a car selected at random from the car park is neither blue nor red. The probability that a car selected at random from the car park is neither blue nor red will be equal to the number of cars that are neither blue nor red divided by the total number of cars. The number of cars that are neither blue nor red is 38. The total number of cars is 100. So the probability that a car selected at random is neither blue nor red is equal to 38 divided by 100. When we simplify 38 divided by 100, we are going to have 19 divided by 50. So the probability that a car selected at random from the car park is neither blue nor red is 19 divided by 50. When we look through our options, the correct option will be option B, which is 19 divided by 50.